In today's video, I am going to teach you how to turn a copper golem into a statue in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. To do this, you first need a copper golem that can oxidize naturally. Make sure the copper golem is unwaxed. If it has been waxed, it will not continue through the oxidation stages, so it will not become a statue on its own. You can either spawn one in your world or build one, as long as the version supports copper golems and the golem is able to age normally. Once the unwaxed copper golem is in place, the next part is very simple. Leave it alone and let time pass naturally. The copper golem oxidizes the same way copper blocks do, so it slowly changes through its different weathered stages over time. There is nothing special you need to press, craft, or trigger during this part. The key is to let the process happen without interrupting it. As the golem continues to oxidize, its appearance will gradually change. It will move through the earlier oxidation stages first, then eventually reach the fully oxidized state. This does not happen instantly, so you may need to wait a while depending on your world and how long the golem has been active. If your goal is to create a statue, patience is the main requirement here. When the copper golem reaches the fully oxidized stage, it will automatically transform into a copper golem statue. You do not need to use an extra item to force the change at that exact moment. The statue form happens on its own once the oxidation is complete. At that point, the golem is no longer acting like a normal moving mob. Instead, it becomes a decorative statue that you can keep in your build. You can leave the copper golem statue exactly where it is if you want to use it as decoration. This works well for themed builds, ruins, workshops, or copper-based structures. If you later decide that you want the golem active again, you can reactivate it using an axe. Using the axe removes the fully oxidized state and brings it back out of statue form so it can function again. So the full process is very straightforward. Start with an unwaxed copper golem. Let it oxidize naturally over time. Wait until it becomes fully oxidized, and it will then turn into a copper golem statue automatically. After that, you can either keep it as decoration or reactivate it later with an axe. That covers everything you need to know.